So this is my first time using my Ninja Crispi. I'm going to be cooking some salmon fillets. And the second batch I'm going to do in the larger bowl is some zucchini, fresh from my garden. So here goes. I believe they said to put this on to the small one. And I have to select the mode, which would be air fry. And I'm going to put it for about 15 minutes. That's what the book says. And we're going to start it. Okay. And it's on. So we'll come back and see how it goes. So let's see how this worked out. I am done. This was about 15 minutes for my salmon. So now the big reveal. Oh, wow. Obviously I have to taste it, but it looks really good. Look at that. Wow. Okay, well, next up, the vegetables. So what I like about this is they have the lids that you can store. So I can just kind of cover this. I kind of want it to remain crispy, so I'm going to cover it a little bit just so some air can get in. Alright, next up is the vegetables. So I think I have to add this onto, let's see. Add this pod onto the big pod, click that in, then move it here. Move it over because of the cord. Let me see, cord over here. Okay, so now I'm going to change the mode to air fry, and I think they said this should be about, I'm going to do 15 minutes and then I'll see. So we'll start that for the vegetables and we'll see how that goes. So let's see how the vegetables came out. It has finished 25 minutes. Oh. Okay, this is the zucchini from the crisper, and I am going to make a plate. So it came out really good. I think I definitely will be cooking more meals with my Ninja Crisp. Get used to it a little bit more, but for the most part, for the first run, I think it was pretty simple to use. And this is the salmon. Really good. Okay, one and well, it's gonna break open, but you get the point. It's good.
So I can get twice as much in there. I love it. I love that it serves as a glass dish, which I think is oven safe. It's definitely dishwasher safe. I put it through the dishwasher many times. It comes with this and another smaller sized piece that's currently in my sink dirty right now, but I'll show you anyway. That's the smaller one. And it also comes with two Tupperware tops that go right on top of this. So if you make a larger dish for your family and you don't finish it, boom, snap the top on, put it in the fridge, and then when you want to reheat it, you just bring it right back out and pop the top on. So the only thing that I don't love is that it does have these four convenient modes, but there's no actual way to set an exact temperature, so it does make it a little bit difficult to follow standard air fryer recipes. But there are kind of generalized temperatures that go with each of these, and the instructions do clearly say that max crisp is for your frozen items, you know, like fries and things like that. Air fry, just your regular stuff like what I'm doing right now. I could do bacon and bake. Obviously, we know what bake means, but it makes it a little different. I think that's supposed to be around 350. And then re-crisp is a lower setting. Not sure of the temperature, but that's for like when you're reheating your slices of pizza and things like that. So I have been a little aggravated in the past because I like to do a lot of stuff in the air fryer and I can't set the exact temperature. I've been disappointed by having a little crispier than I wanted or slightly undercooked, but something that you get used to the more you use the machine, you kind of get to know it. But other than that, my favorite thing ever. I love it. You can see about how much space it takes up on my counter. Only, you know, a little taller than my toaster and not much. Ninja Crispi, love it.
So I received the Ninja Crispi, new in the box, yesterday, and all the pieces are here. Pulled it out last night, assembled what I needed to do, plugged that in, I put this on flat surface, locks in, locked. Take it and I put it on top of the crisper, solid. Turn it on, let it get going. Pick any one of these, and then that happens. It says lid. Now, I've tried to do it on the smaller one. I've tried to do it on the bigger one, and nothing. I've heard that reading online posts that it was basically a default setting and that the sensor for the lid was not on correctly. Brand new, out of the box.
This is a little demo about the Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 air fryer. It is amazing. I made this salmon in here. It's so simple. I put the lid on. I select air fry. Put it to 9 minutes, sorry. I press start and 9 minutes later, I have this amazing crispy salmon, effortless, completely effortless. It is an amazing machine. I'll give it 10 out of 10.
So I just used my new Ninja Crispi and it cooked these green beans from raw to fully cooked in 8 minutes. They look amazing. I'll keep you posted.